Alright, we're going to do a real quick little fly, little dry fly midge, using some white thread. Very easy fly to do, very fun. You can knock out a bunch of these real quick. I'm doing, as you saw in the photo earlier, I did a few color combinations, bright colors, but I'd rather, do more earthy tones, more natural colors. This is kind of what I had to choose from when I decided to do this video. So get some white thread, or get your thread all the way back to the bin there. Fish midges for just about anything. I mean, basically they're a midge is a lot like a mosquito. So if you're seeing a bunch of mosquito-like creatures flying around out there, insects, throw one of these out there, because they're going to be on the water floating around. Fish are going to be eating them. Bass, sunfish, bluegill, I mean even trout in the stream. I believe this is the first fish that I ever caught on a fly was a midge like this. Different color combination, but definitely they hit it, and they're fun because you can watch them hit them. I'm just floating on top of the water there, and you get to see the strike. So get your woolly bugger hackle and pull off some fibers like I did there, then put the fibers on top of the hook and wrap them in a little loose wrap first, and then secure them down real nice like that. You can cut off the extra if you want, or you can wrap them in real good, pull them off. Alright, now you're going to get your dubbing, whatever kind of dubbing color you want there. I'm using this real bright green. You don't need a lot of dubbing, real thin around your thread. Just not a lot of dubbing at all, like real thin. You're not trying to get a real thick body or anything. Just kind of a little bit of color in there. Start wrapping that around there. Keep twisting that dubbing. Make sure it's real thin. Twisting it the same way every time. And wrap that up. Just a little bit over halfway of the hook. Right where you're going to start your hackle. Get some more woolly bugger hackle. Clean off some fibers so you have a nice clean stem. loose wrap. Not like that. Actual loose wrap. So you can capture that hackle in there. And then a tie wrap and secure that down. And bring your thread up to just behind the eye hook, or eye of the hook. Start wrapping that hackle around. And once you get up to right behind the eye hook, just one wrap behind the eye hook, go ahead and secure that in. Cut the rest of your hackle off. Pull those fibers back real good. Pull your hackle back. And then do a few more securing wraps. And use your whip finisher and tie in a couple whips. That's pretty much it. A real simple fly to tie. Appreciate everybody watching. Keep looking out for some more videos. Hopefully soon I get a better camera. The last video with a camcorder wasn't the greatest. Did this one with my phone. I think it's a little bit better, but I'll keep upgrading my equipment, making it look a little better. And like I said, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And check out the next video.